I woke up feeling good, but now I know why. It's such a beautiful day today. Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to a new vlog. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's. Bodol. Yeah, it's Valentine's Day. I woke up feeling good. So I did my nails, one hand mabane, and then I had clients after hours. I was hoping that my cousin could help me with the other hand, but I had clients, knocked off very late, took a bath, took a bath, slept. So first thing I did today was obviously prepared Riley for school and everything. Then I did my other hand. Mumsy needed me to run some errands for her because she's traveling, so I did that very quickly. And then when I got to her house delivering her stuff, she was like, some flowers, girl, for the girl, okay? And then I got another delivery from Boo, of course. Menzi got me some flowers and some chocolates. Oh, Mumsy also got me some chocolates. So yeah, I am going to love these guys. I'm literally in my almond era, like everything almond. Talk about the ice cream almond, talk about the almond. So I'm very happy. I can't wait to indulge. I've never had these before. So I'm excited. I wish I can go get room so I take really good pictures. But you know what? I'll try something. There's this picture that I've been meaning to take. But I don't think I don't know if my mom will agree to take such pictures of me, but I'll try because I'm gonna go back home. I don't have plans for the day, TBH. So let's enjoy this valley. Bagan got me a gift on Sunday. She gave me something that I never unboxed because I was waiting to unbox it with you guys. So when I get home, we're going to unbox it together. All right, I'm still by mom's house, by the way. So yeah, bye for now, guys. I'm back home. This is the gift that I said Bagan got for me. But you know what, I want to take pictures. Let me take pictures of everything. Yeah, it's right here. Woo. There's everything. I want to take pictures for Instagram, so I think I will unbox it with you guys after the pictures. Just hold on. I'm back, baby. How do I don't have a pair of scissors. Ooh. Okay. One thing about this girl, she will wrap a gift if she's the one who wrapped it. Ooh. Aww. There's a little note. I hope you guys can see. Something cute for a cutie. Have a lovely week, my love. Love, Adrezi. Girl. Aww. Not sisters by blood, but sisters by heart, guys. I hope you guys can see. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna put this. Oh my god, I'm gonna use it right now. I'm literally gonna put the car keys in this. Oh, because my partner once bought me one that says, I'll show it to you guys in a bit. But yeah, these are gonna be together. How sweet. Oh, friend. Thank you. I should call her. I'm literally going to call her right now. This is so sweet. Man. How cute. Guys. This is so cute. Oh my god. I'm gonna remove the plastic. Girl. Yes. How cute. Like, how stunning. Oh, sorry. How stunning is this? I'm gonna put my keys in here and just carry it everywhere I go, you know? Ah, this is so cute. Thank you, friend. Okay. I'm gonna go now. I'm having such a good day. Wait. I'm having such a good day. Literally. I feel loved. I feel really loved. Like, I can't explain it. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.
Hi.
Hi.
Is this mine?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, my darling. You're so sweet.
You're welcome. You can check inside. It's nice.
Hey guys, welcome to another day in this vlog. Today is a Saturday. My boo and I are just gonna go to Bush Kitchen, Mogoledi Bush Kitchen, just to have something to eat. So yeah, he's obviously in Gavs, he's around. He's not working for a couple of days. We're actually supposed to go on a vacation. We're supposed to go to Limpopo. Yeah, he did say Limpopo. But it's flooding. It's flooding Limpopo, Pulenzena. It's just a mess. So we had to cancel our plans. I'm so sad. I'm so sad because I was so ready for that vlog. I was so ready for that vlog, but I guess we'll go another time. I guess we'll just go another time. That's why I think in my last vlog, I did say that I wanted to do a quick hairstyle because I knew I was gonna do my hair around this time and then do something for the trip. But now I'm stuck. I don't even know what to do with my hair. But yeah, we were just waiting by motorbike. He was getting something, so I gotta bounce. Bush kitchen is so refreshing. We had such an amazing time, but we thoroughly enjoyed our cakes more than everything. Then we went ahead and got me a bag. I'll unbox it in my next video. Later on, we just got some pizza and honestly just chilled. There was nothing to vlog. Hey guys, I have partnered with the beautiful Nyaki to bring you guys the Brand Me Women's Day brunch. It is a mimosa brunch. We are going to be having amazing speakers, which we literally handpicked because we feel like they met this year's theme for International Women's Day. So please get yourself a ticket at only 300 pula. It's going to be a 100% women's event. We are also raising funds for the Food Bank Botswana, which is something that's so dear to my heart. I promised myself that this year I am going to start engaging in giving back to the community, and this is the very first that we're doing. It's not going to end here, I promise. If you're a guy and you're watching this, we are honestly planning something very soon for the guys, for the men, so please be patient. For now, you can go like the page on Instagram. It's Vineyard Events, and then you can also get a ticket for your girlfriend, your crush, your mom, your aunt, a stranger. Please just do bless somebody with a ticket, only 300 pula, but I promise you that you will get more than what you're paying for. Ladies, I cannot wait to see you guys on the 25th of March at this brunch. The theme is on the page. Everything is on the page. I promise you, I'm excited. You should be excited too. I cannot wait to meet you guys. What better way than to meet you guys over a mimosa? The link to the page will be down in my description box. I'll also write the name of the page on the screen down below for you guys to like. But other than that, I'll see you guys on the 25th of March physically, but I will be uploading a vlog again next week. I love you guys so much and thank you for your support in advance at this event. Let's make it a success. Bye.